Alright, what's going on out there, everybody? Rooster in Tennessee with a Gump Tune 29 up for grabs. Side mic version, mid-90s model, 29 LTD classic VFO windup on the channel 9 switch. Variable power on the RF gain, white LED meter light, widened out receive, quietened down receive. That's with the volume wide open, you just barely get any static in there. We'll key up another radio, show you that it does receive here. That's dummy load to dummy load, so radio's receiving just fine. We already let you hear that the windup is working, and we'll just get into it and show you what this thing's doing. So we'll start out with our RF power wide open, just to show you what it keys. Our P kit's on here, let's turn that off. About 6 watts, looking at the middle scale, 50 watt scale. Audio, about 9 watts. Audio, with the audio 9 watts. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2, 3. Talking about 8. Whistling 9. We'll go to our peak kit here. Hello, audio, 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 audio. 35 with it wide open. We'll dial it back halfway. Hello, audio, 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 audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Talking about 35 and audio and about 38. Audio, 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 audio. Well, there you go. Let's see. I guess we'll show you that it cuts all the way down to 0. Turn this back. Show you that it will dead key. Nothing. We're keyed up right there. Flat. So that's it. Variable power goes from 0 to about 6 watts. Peak outputs 35 to 38. Average outputs 9 on audio. Talking into it around 8 or so. Should make somebody a dandy. VFO windup works. Gump Tune 29. Hope you guys enjoy. Questions, comments, complaints, let me know. If you're interested in this radio, shoot me a text message. 423-299-3535. See you, bye.